Today, this is my first YouTube channel on this channel, or not my first YouTube channel, but my first video on this channel. My other channels that I share with my cousin is Have Some Fun, okay? And then, yeah, so I want you to have some fun watching me. Okay, I'm gonna get set up, and I'll see you after. So this I used to have 8, and now I have 7 because I threw away the green one. It was supposed to be green, blue, purple, and then I threw away the green because it was too sticky. Too sticky. All my slime. Usually doesn't break. Why did I do that? I'm sorry, he just went silent. My cousin's over there taking a nap. I think so. Or she's on her tablet. I like this one. This is fluffy slime. I'll do a video about how to make it sooner or later. Oh, that's my first video. Bye.